This tutorial will help you if you've already set up your Foscam camera and want to add it to your Foscam app so you can view the video feed on your smartphone. First, ensure the camera is connected to power and your router. Then open the Foscam app. Tap on the plus icon and tap Next. Here you have three options on how to add the camera. You can scan the QR code, search for the IP and LAN, or manually add the camera via DDNS, IP, or UID. Method 1. Scan the QR code. The default method to add your camera to the app is to scan the QR code. To do this, use your phone's camera to scan the QR code that is located on the sticker on the bottom of your camera. Next, input the username and password of your camera and wait for it to be added. Method 2. Search for the IP and LAN. Choose Alternative Setup and tap Find My Camera. The app will find all the cameras connected in your network. Select the camera you want to add. Next, input the username and password of your camera and wait for it to be added. Method 3. Add the camera manually. Choose Alternative Setup, tap UID, DDNS, IP. Before you proceed, be sure you have the UID, IP address, or DDNS ready. If you're using an external IP or DDNS to add the camera, make sure you have successfully set up remote access. In this example, we will use the IP address to add the camera. Just input its IP address and HTTP port and tap Add. Next, input the username and password of your camera and wait for it to be added. If you want to delete a camera, just slide it to the left on the home page and choose Delete. Please note that a camera can only be linked to one account at a time.